Good morning. Myself Archit Venkatesan and I have my colleague Mr. M. Ravikumar with me. Under guidance of Mr. B.J. Raghu, we have developed a new product which is going to revolutionize our industry. So the main problem is that cardiovascular diseases are the leading causes of death globally. Early detection of cardiac murmurs, which can indicate valve abnormalities or septal defects, is crucial. Traditional methods like manual auscultation are subjective, and echocardiography is expensive and inaccessible in remote areas. Existing wearable devices generally only monitor heart rate and lack complex heart sounds analysis capability to detect murmurs. So the solution we have brought is that we proposed a cost-effective and the most reliable wearable device for automated real-time heart sound analysis and murmur detection. Our device fuses biomedical engineering and IoT. The key novelty in our equipment is that capture high-fidelity sounds using a wearable MEN sensor ADMP401 and a temperature monitoring function using DS18B20 to provide an all-rounded view of our users' health, which is a gap in most current devices. We use robust signal processing called FFT, which can be abbreviated as fast Fourier transform, to eliminate noises and extract features like the heart rate, the heart rhythm, and its pattern.
Market analysis. The device provides broad application in home-based monitoring and telemedicine. It is non-invasive and cost-effective, ideal for patients with pre-existing conditions who need continuous monitoring. The node MCU processes the incoming signals. Working. Example, when a heart sound value falls between 500 to 600 Hz, the system classifies it as normal S1, S2. However, if the value is 600 to 750 Hz, the system detects an abnormality and classifies it as murmur. The classification and temperature status are displayed instantly on the LCD and transmitted to the mobile app for remote visualization. This wearable device demonstrates the transformative role of technology in democratizing health care and promoting proactive, personalized health management. We thank the Ministry of Education, Innovation and AICTE. Thank you.